I heard that you settled down, that you find a girl and that you're married now. Hey, welcome. It's Barry here with song number 44, and this song is an amazing song by Adele, and it's called Someone Like You. Now, a great song to listen to when you're a bit sad, but also an amazing song to play the ukulele on and test your picking little skills. And so let's dive right in. It's here where you find these songs made easy, where I do my best to simplify it so that you can play this song as soon and as quick as possible. So please stick around while I talk about the three things. Number one, what on earth is the chords? Number two, what is the song structure? And then number three, the groove, or what can we strum to actually make the song sound, or pick to make the song sound more like it does. So without further ado, let's dive right into this cool little song. So my screen will pop up and we'll take a look at the chord. So we've got an F, finger 1 on string 2, fret 1, finger 2 on string 4, fret 2. And from there on, it's nice and easy. You've got that A minor, you just take that F finger off. Take the F finger off. And what's even better is now when we've got that D minor, you just put that third finger. So what I would do is I would find the F, and then I'd go A minor, F, A minor, F, A minor, F, A minor, F, A minor, ooh, D minor, F, A minor, ooh, D minor. And then it's just that B flat, which you can play just like that. So that finger just flops down B minor with the second finger and or the third finger if you're more advanced. But for those who can't play anything quite yet, this would be the easiest way, is to get those two. If you can't bar it yet, squeezing it like that. Your finger want to make that little movement there. That. So this is level 1, level 2, level 3 for that B flat, which is also called an A sharp. Now, what else have we got? We've got C, yes, then an easy C, so really easy chords. I've simplified it to make life. F, A minor, D minor, B flat, C. So that is it for the chords, especially in the verse and that pre-chorus. Now, secondly, what on earth is the song structure? Strong is in a 4/4. It's not in the original key, so the song is in F, but I think the actual song is in an A. And so I've changed it so that it's easier for you guys to play it, and for males like myself that cannot reach those high notes, this is so much easier on the throats. You're still gonna have to play along with, but be smart, let the crowd sing the rest of the song if you're struggling with the vocals, and try and sing that. That's what I usually do. That's how I cheat. Fake it till you make it, right? And we'll see that most of these are, all of it is one chord in a bar. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now let's go to the little groove, or what can we strum or do to make the song. So what I do is I just pick strings that. So strings 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Now if you can't do this on their own, and if you really want to pick the song, then it's no use for you to start even adding chords here. Watch your hand and just do that. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 I, 1 and 2 and 3 I, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 1 and I have 2 I, 1 and 2 and. Okay, that's what you can do. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. So then with an F, I would just do that. A minor. So I stick to that chord pattern that's picking. B, So you can almost hear that. A minor, D minor. Sounds a bit more like the song, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, D minor, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay, so let's try. That is, if you still want to just strum it, that's fine. 1 and I heard that you settled down, that you're girl, that you're married now. It's just a quicker change. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1. So let's do that little picking. Now at this time of the course, kind of where you are with the book and songs, I kind of expect of you now to try this, the picking. So if I could kindly request for you to do the picking, go for it. That's how we'll play it when we play together. 1 and I heard that you go down and California. You could go 1 and I go 1. That's also something you can try, is you could go, instead of just go, you go 1 2 3 1. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. So we got F 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Counted 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1. And so that's nice and easy for the verse. You just play that over and over again. So, and then we go to 1. Hate to turn up, and then in this part I would start strumming. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it to the sea. I hope you'd in your face, and that you be reminded that for me it isn't over. It isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. Then it goes over to the chorus. So from the top, let's try that. 1 3. So we got 1 and 2 and 3. Or you want 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2. I heard that you're A minor down to the D minor, that you found a girl and that you married now, and I heard that your dreams came true. D minor to that B flat, to the wild friend. Why you ain't my shy, ain't like you to hold back and hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay awake. I couldn't fight it. I hoped to see your face, and that you'd be reminded that for me isn't over. Isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. There's no way out of this song for you to make it really sound as pretty as it does on the in the song, I really need you to do this picking, and then we'll move over to the part of the song where we all squeal and struggle to sing. So straight, this is now the chorus. Never mind, I'll find someone. Oh, that's messy. So we got the F. Never mind, I'll find. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best. And it just repeats for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. 'Cause you remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. So, never mind, I'll find someone like D minor. Still just the little strings 1, 2, and 3. I've got nothing but the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Ooh. Don't forget me, I beg, 'cause I remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, and sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, and sometimes it hurts instead. Ooh. Nothing compares, no worries, no stead, regrets and mistakes or the memories made. Who would ever known how bittersweet this would take? Then we can go out. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. Ooh, I will nothing but the best for you too. Ooh, don't forget me, I beg, 'cause you remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, sometimes it hurts instead. Now, for me and for you, it's important to go ahead and download this song. Watch this little video wherever you get stuck. This chord sequence kind of repeats over and over again. Have fun with the song. Let me know how that went when I kind of felt all over the place. Hopefully you have an idea of what to do. Remember, we just want to play 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. We've spoken about that before, the 1, 2, 3 little patterns. And yeah, if you can be patient, the book will be out soon for these 50 songs. And there's a link down below. We can actually download it, the song chord sheet, and also a place where you can buy me a beer if you like what I do here. Have a lovely rest of your day. Song number 44 by Adele. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. Take care. Bye-bye.